Hello everyone, I hope that you're all super duper well. As you'll be able to tell from the title and the thumbnail of today's YouTube video is a huge Cherryz haul, and I cannot wait to show you the pieces that I picked up for this haul because they are like all the bits that you need for the best summer slumber party ever. They give me such like movie night in, self-care type vibes. So we have loads of self-care items, really tasty snacks, skincare, body care, kitchenware, everything that you could possibly want we have in this haul, and the prices are so amazing. I also have a discount code for your first order on Cherryz, and that is Sapphire25 in capitals. I will put that on the screen here and in the description box down below so that you can get that amazing offer as well. If this is the kind of content that you like to see, make sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up, subscribe down below if you're new here. Let's unpack this box. So the first pieces that we have are ultimates for like a self-care night in my opinion. They're things that I love to have and like put on. Bit of a clue. So the first piece that we have is this gorgeous little lavender candle called Lavender Fields, and as you can see it is a beautiful lilac colour. And this is, I've been using candles a lot recently, especially because it's summer and you can have your window open and have a little candle on, so it just gives you such summery vibes, and I just cannot wait to use this. It just smells amazing. Lavender is one of my favourite scents, and it's definitely the kind of thing that I like to use if I'm watching a film or I'm just like reading, chilling out, having a good time. So I cannot wait to use that. It's so cute as well. Like I love the little lid that goes on it. I think it's just like the extra touches that makes something so special. And then another essential for like a me time night in, a huge vat of hot chocolate. This is a Cadburys drinking chocolate powder mix, and I am so excited to use this because I usually use Cadbury's Bournville, but I was like, it's probably more than just cocoa. It probably has like a little bit of sugar in as well, and I don't usually put sugar in my like other one, so I think it'll be so nice to try this. And this is huge, and it was such an amazing price. Like everything on Cherryz is such an incredible price. I have put the link to the app down below, so you should definitely just download it and check it out. You can also use it on your laptop as well. I actually did my order both on my phone and on my laptop because it was just like good to see it in different places. And yeah, check out the prices because this was unreal. So following on from the self-care bits, they had the most amazing selection of kitchenware. Like I actually could not believe how cute these pieces are. So if you're having a movie night or something, or like a garden party, I feel like these pieces are so perfect for that. So the first thing that I picked up were these gorgeous love heart bowls. I actually didn't expect them to be as big as they are, and I'm so pleased that they're even bigger than I expected because like the price was unreal, and I was like, oh, they must be like really small ones, and they're actually really big sizes. I think they're so cute. I love these so much. And then as you can see, I'm kind of going for a pink theme to match with Cherryz, and they had the most pretty pink selection of like plates and cups and stuff, so I had to get some. So I got myself this plastic plate. As you can see, it's kind of like striped, it's like ridgy detail on the plate, and it's like perfect for like a garden party or something. But like literally if you're just like having snacks or something like cold foods, I feel like this would be so fun to have it on because it's so pretty and it'll be like really aesthetic in your room instead of having like something that's like plain and boring. And then also so much fun, this cup with a twirly straw. I've literally always wanted one of these. Like who hasn't wanted one of these? And it has like a straw that's attached to it so that like when you have like whatever you want to drink, you have it through the fun straw. I literally catch me sipping on this all summer long. In fact, in winter as well. I cannot wait to use this because like I said, I've always wanted one. When it comes to snacks, Cherryz are not playing around. They have literally every snack that you could possibly imagine, and I thought this is my time to like pick absolutely everything. I think I'm also more of a savoury person than a sweet person, although I do like to have like a little bit of chocolate now and then, but I was like, I'm just gonna get all the savoury snacks that they literally have. So Hula Hoops, I feel like they're kind of underrated. I feel like they're really fun, and obviously there's like loads of different flavours in here, so definitely like check it out and then use my discount code because then you get an extra 25% off. And I got some Flamin' Hot Wotsits because I really love these. Like I think they're so much fun. I feel like they have similar things in America, and I like love American vibes, so I was like, yeah, I'll get the Flamin' Hot ones. I do like a bit of spice. If you've seen my previous Cherryz haul, you'll know that I also previously picked up all their hot sauces because they also had those. I didn't get those this time, but I will put the link to that previous haul so you can check out those bits as well. I also got all the ready salted crisps that Walkers do. This is like perfect for a movie night, and they'd go so cute in those heart-shaped bowls. I also got the regular Wotsits, and then I got a bag of Doritos because also American vibes. I don't know why, like tortilla chips just kind of have that kind of energy to me, and it's also like a really good size. Like it's probably a sharing bag, but it doesn't have to be. And then essential for a movie night, as you can probably hear, this is my favourite thing to have at like a sleepover or something. Like this is just so much fun. They're great for sharing. They remind me of like being at the cinema. I love the sound. It kind of reminds me of like Halloween and Christmas as well, because I feel like Maltesers are like a year-round favourite for me. I think they're probably one of my favourites to have. Maybe it's because they're like not too sweet compared to some other things, but yes, I had to get these. What would a self-care night be without a bit of like body pampering? So I also picked up some of their body care bits, and they had like literally all of the most iconic brands. I feel like I'm pretty random when it comes to body care, and like I just like to try different things every time that I finish like a bottle of something. So the pieces that I picked up, first of all, I actually got this self-tan, this Samoritz self-tan, and I know people are always talking about Samoritz and I never tried it. I got it in dark, fast drying, wash off colour guide. I've always wanted to try this, so I thought I would get this, and it was a really good price as well. Then I got a lot of things from Dove. So first of all, I got this Daily Moisture Conditioner. Smells so nice. I also got this Dove Nourishing Silk Body Wash. Really excited to try this. It's such a big size, so I can't wait to use that. And then I also got this Restoring Care Body Lotion, and I think it must be coconut scented because it's like a coconut picture on it. So I'm really excited to use this because I know that Dove is just like a reliable brand and I haven't used them for years, so I'm really excited. And then I also got another hydrating lotion. This one is Garnier Intensive 7 Days with Aloe Vera, and I've seen this around a lot, so I thought I would give it a try because you can't have too much body lotion, especially like in summer. I feel like you just need to keep your skin hydrated. Next up, I also got like facial bits, stuff for your face, skincare, and then like also oral hygiene. So I picked up these round cotton pads because I thought this would be good to get. They're always handy. Everyone needs these now and then. And then I also got a classic Nivea Lip Balm because this is the best lip balm of all time. Then Oral-B floss because I've used it before and it's really good, and it's just like a basic staple that everyone needs. And then I also got this Colgate Spearmint mouthwash. I've used this before. I think I previously actually got it from Cherryz and that was amazing, and it's just really good to have something like this. Obviously everyone needs it, and I thought I'd pick it up from Cherryz. And then yes, I actually previously got this from Cherryz as well. I've tried so many things from Cherryz before, and then like they've become my staples, and that is the case with this toothpaste. This is a Colgate Max White Sparkle Diamonds. Previously I said that I wanted to try it because I wanted to sparkle like a diamond. I still do, and it's also really fun toothpaste. Like it's purple and sparkly, so I got 3 of these and they were like amazing prices, and Cherryz is definitely the place to be right now. And then some other miscellaneous body and skincare bits. I got a Dove deodorant. I really went on a Dove theme and everything smells really nice, so I'm really glad that I did. And then I got some other kind of girly bits. If you know, you know, and they are essentials and we need them. So I picked those up and they were really good prices as well. So I definitely recommend. Just going through everything, I'm like so excited to have like a little sort of movie pamper night because these are like the most fun bits. Like this is like everything that you could possibly want. I'm gonna put my little candle on, I'm gonna have my hot chocolate, and then like maybe some Maltesers or something, and then those body care bits from Dove. I'm like so excited. The final pieces that I'm going to show you are kind of miscellaneous bits, but they're like essentials that I was like amazed to see on Cherryz, because I know they do the snacks, I know they do the skincare, but they also do like gardening bits, stationery bits, cleaning bits, so I thought I'd show you some of those bits as well. So the first thing that I got are these Unisex gardening gloves. It's actually got 2 pairs in here. It's got like 4 individual gloves, which I thought was really good. And I got these because I know that my mum has been gardening recently, but then that means that we have like matching pairs, which I think is so cute. And then I also got these Green Shield glass and window surface wipes because I thought I'd be able to maybe use them on my mirror or something. And I thought that that would just be a good thing to do, keep everything really clean and sparkly. So I got those. And then I also got, which I thought was really interesting, this hobby organizer box. The amazing thing about it, as you can see, it's got like different sections, but it's actually got 2 sides, and you can, so it closes on both sides, and then it has like the pockets and compartments on both sides as well, so you can like fill it either way, and then it has like more space for different things. And as someone who has their own business, as you'll probably know, and I will link it down below, I have a jewelry shop where I make jewelry, so I thought that I could put all of the like little components in here. I thought this might be really handy to get. So yeah, that's what I'll be using it for. So we have reached the end of today's Cherryz haul. I hope that you really enjoyed it. All of these like, snacks and skincare bits are just so much fun, and I cannot wait to use literally every single one of them. I'm so hyped about the candle. The candle is so cute, and they actually had like loads of different ones, by the way. They had like berry ones, vanilla ones, they had ones in like little vases, they had like bigger ones as well, so definitely check that out if that is also your kind of thing. If you could see my windowsill right now, there are so many candles on it. I have like so many, but I literally love using them, and I've like definitely started to like use them a lot more because it's the summery months and I can have my window open and like have the cool breeze and also like the warm candle, and it's just really aesthetic and like lovely vibes. As I mentioned at the start, I have a discount code which is Sapphire25 if you want 25% off your first order. Definitely download the app. I have put the link in my description box so you can just check it out, have a scroll, see how amazing the prices are, and then like do your first order, and that'll be so much fun. Let me know what you get. Thank you so much to Cherryz for collaborating with me on today's YouTube video. I love working with Cherryz so much. They're so much fun and they have all the best pieces. Thank you so much for collaborating with me. If this is the kind of content that you'd like to see, make sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you're new here, and I can't wait to see you very, very soon in my next YouTube video. Bye!